Hi everyone, it's Harleen Whitney. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go through a workout just for upper body, and so if you would like to do some yoga with me, this is meant to be a workout with me type video. So make sure that it's okay with your doctor, and if you feel like just having a little stretch with me today, I invite you to join me. So I've just got my mat laid out here, and I've actually got my diffuser going in the background, you can see. So I'm just setting that kind of nice calm environment, and then I'm going to start with my breathing. So I'm going to start to place my hands on my belly, and I'm going to breathe into my belly. So breathing into my belly, closing my eyes. Exhale, drawing that belly button all the way towards the back, pushing all that stale air out, and then inhale into your belly, and exhale. A couple more like this. Inhale and exhale. Two more like this. Inhale and exhale. One last one. And exhale. So I'm going to move this into a complete 3-part breath. So I'm going to breathe into my belly, into my ribs, into my chest, and exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. Into the belly, into your ribs, into your chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. So we're going to do a few more like this. And exhale. And exhale. Good. So I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and do a little meditation just to center myself here. So I'm just going to draw my attention to the breath coming in and out through my nose. I'm just focusing all of my focus and concentration on that air coming in through the nose and out through the nose. We'll just do this for a little bit here in silence. So hopefully your mind is starting to feel a little bit calmer, just trying to calm those random thoughts. We'll gently start to open our eyes nice and slow, and I'm going to start to roll up my shoulders here. Nice deep breaths as you're doing this. So I'm just going to do some yoga for beginners. So this should be suitable for anybody. Nice deep breaths, just starting to break up any tightness, and then the other direction. Remember to breathe throughout your practice. I'm going to draw my left arm across my chest here, just stretching out my arm, and I can feel that in my shoulders as well. Nice deep 3-part breath. The whole time when you're doing your practice. Good, we're going to do the other side. So drawing that arm up and draw it across. Exhale. Nice stretch there. Good. Good job. Good. So I'm going to interlace my fingers behind my back, just squeezing my shoulder blades together. I'm just starting to stretch out the chest. Nice deep breath. So you're going to draw your shoulders down and back. And then I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to interlace my fingers in front of me and I'm going to curl my back, drawing my back towards the wall behind me. Really curling my back and starting to expand those spaces between my vertebrae. Good. So I'm going to come back up here nice and slow, right hand on the ground, and then you're going to draw your left arm up in the air, and we're going to arch over, draw your left elbow back, looking up where you're at the crease in your arm. Nice deep breaths, so you're stretching out your neck here as well. Getting a nice stretch along the left side of the body. I'm going to come back to center, right arm up in the air. Exhale, arching over to the left side, drawing the right arm back, opening up your chest, and just looking up at that right elbow crease. Nice deep breaths again, stretching out your neck and the right side of your body. Good. So coming back up here, I'm just going to roll out my wrists, nice and gentle. And then the other direction. I'm going to scrunch up my fingers. I'm going to draw my fingers back towards me, nice and gentle when you do this. Getting that stretch along the arm. And then pointing your fingers down. And stretching out the other side of your arm. Okay, and we're going to do the other side. So right arm here. And then drawing the fingers down. Good. Okay, so I'm going to move on to my hands and my knees here. So when you're on your hands and knees, we're going to do cat-cow here. So on the inhale, we're going to look up. So you want your hands stacked right underneath your elbows, and your knees should be right underneath your hips. So you want a nice stacking happening there. So your arms should be way out here, just stacking your arms. We're going to inhale to look up. Exhale, curling your tailbone under. Nice stretch back. Nice stretch along the back here. And inhale to look up. And exhale, curl your tailbone under. Inhale to look up. And exhale, curl. Inhale, looking up. And exhale, curl. Great, I'm gonna move on to just stretching up the sides here. So I'm gonna look at my tailbone on the right. And then coming back to center. And then I'm going to look at my tailbone on the left. And back to center. And I'm just gonna repeat this a few times. Nice deep breaths as you're doing this. Okay, so I'm going to give myself a stretch along my back now. So I'm gonna move into puppy. Okay, so I'm going to do puppy here. So for puppy, you're gonna start in table. So hands are underneath the shoulders, knees are underneath the hips, and I'm gonna walk my hands forward, lengthening my arms, feeling that stretch in the upper mid back. Nice deep breaths. My chest is still off the mat. I'm just drawing that spine towards the floor, but still keeping it off the floor. Good, so I'm gonna come back up into table here. Inhale the right arm up. I'm gonna draw it underneath the left and come onto my right shoulder, resting my head on the floor. Good, so I'm going to push myself up with my left hand, coming back into table. Inhale the left arm up. And draw it underneath the right. Come onto your left shoulder, pressing out that left shoulder with your body weight. Good. So I'm going to push myself back up into table. I'm just going to wrap up here with a few neck stretches. So I'm going to inhale and exhale. Right ear to the right shoulder, left hand on the ground. Breathing into the left side of your neck. Nice deep breaths. So you're going to channel that air right along the left side. Feeling that air going in and cleansing that area. Good. Back to the center. Left ear to the left shoulder, right hand on the ground. Breathing into the right side of your neck. Feeling that right side lengthening. Good, so back to the center. On the exhale, looking down, nice and gentle along the neck there. Nice deep breaths. And draw your chin back. You want to feel that stretch. So I'm tucking my chin in, and now the stretch has moved to the top of my neck, to the base of my brain. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the middle here. I'm going to twist on the exhale, looking at my right shoulder. With each exhale, if your body lets you, you can twist a little more if you'd like. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale. I'm going to look on my left side. And back to the middle. I'm going to look up My left hand is on the floor. I'm looking up, right ear to the right shoulder. So I'm feeling that stretch right along the front of my neck on the left side. Nice deep breaths, stretching out that area. Good. If there's any tension there, just breathing through that. And back to the center. I'm gonna look up, left ear to the left shoulder, right hand on the ground. Nice deep breaths. Good, and back to the middle here. Good. So from here, I'm just going to do a little bit of Shavasana. I'm just gonna lie down. So you want your left foot towards the left corner of the mat, right foot towards the right corner, lying down, arms beside you. Just letting your shoulders drop here. Letting your body sink into the floor. Nice deep breaths again. So I'm going to allow my eyeballs to sink back into their sockets. Relaxing my forehead. Just letting my jaw relax. Letting my tongue sink back. Just gonna lie here for a little longer in silence. I'm gonna clear your head here, so try not to think about anything and let all your thoughts go. Start to wiggle my fingers and toes, rotate my wrists and ankles. Give yourself a deep stretch, lengthening here, drawing your knees into your chest. And rolling side to side. I'm going to roll over to my right side, gently coming up to seated once again. Just closing my eyes, bringing my hands to heart center. Rolling my shoulders down and back. Nice deep breaths. Just connecting to that sense of peace and calm. And taking a deep breath in. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully you enjoy that short workout with me video. I just did a little bit of upper body today and just some yoga for beginners. If you like this type of a video, please comment and let me know if you want me to make some more videos like this and what kinds of videos as well. Thanks so much for watching.